to another pottery video. This one is a little catch-up video, so we'll move the camera. So from a recent live stream we did, we made our little hexagonal trinket jar. I'm going to try and cut a lid out of this without destroying it. So that's our first thing. And we were doing some little what do you call it? What's the word I'm looking for? Espresso cups, or small cups. So I've got another 4 of them to do. But first of all, while the water's still relatively warm, we'll do a bit of throwing, and then we'll come back to that fella in a minute. So we'll do a bit of throwing first. So 200 grams of cold clay. 200 grams on the Hsinchuen wheel. So talk amongst yourselves while I stay through these. So 3 more of them to do. We'll speed them up and I'll talk to you at the end. We lost it. So we lost that last one. Too quick. So here we've gone really thin, so as you can see the clear's, it's got no strength there, but it's all thick at the top. So we'll show you, we might as well take this as a learning exercise. We're always learning. So there's that opened up. See if we can get you zoomed in a bit. I wish I could see the screen there. Yeah, so too thin on the base, really thin, went too far, and there it's there. Went too thin on that little bit there, and then thick again. So this bit lost its integrity. But not all is lost. We can recycle that, and that, viewers, will knead that up, and that will become the clear to use in our handles. So we'll make some handles out of that for our espresso cups. It's a bit soggy at the minute, so we'll let it dry off a wee bit. But in the meantime, so that's what we've got. Oh, zoomed in still. I need to zoom out. Zoom out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a big one. Relatively small amount of clear. So let them dry, trim them off a little bit, put some handles on, and we're done. Oh, how wet are they? Yeah. Must have caught that or something. Dead clumsy, I always catch them. But there, that's a deer, and they're just sort of damp to the touch now. So a little while longer to dry off, and we'll be able to put some handles on them. In the meantime, to finish off this video, we're going to put that there, dry that off, switch that off, put that on that. We're going to reconstitute all that for our handles. So, other part of this video is cutting this into little bits without totally destroying it. So we had a pinhole, because it's a sealed shape, we've got a pinhole there to let the air out so it doesn't completely explode. I think we'll use the palette knife, because they've got no edge on these really, these palette knives, like an artist's painter's palette knife, because they're really thin. So we'll make a start. Fortune favours the brave. Stop there. Notch. sides there. Yeah, so it's got a little notch in that side, just so you can orientate it the correct way. Try not to drop it. Try not to drop it. Yeah, we need a little sponge. Damp sponge. We're just gonna quickly go over these. So we're just smoothing rough edges off. That's that bit. And its counterpart lid. Now what I do want to do, smooth this slit off. And to do that, we need to use a wooden tool, bit of water on it, rest it on there. Fill in all the gaps, and we'll get a bit of water, and we're just going to smooth out the inside a bit. Go back to our sponge. Just take off all the sharp edges. Like that. See if it still fits. There you go. There's our little trinket box done. We'll update on that as it dries and as it glazes there, and as we glaze it. Shouldn't take long for that to dry. What have we got in there? So I've got a bit of shrapnel in here. That's it. Done. Oh, one thing we have forgot before we sign off. Got to have the maker's mark on the bottom. So put our fingers on the inside so it doesn't squash it, and then we'll press that in like that. Maker's mark on the base. That's it. So thanks for watching, and check back for when we attach some handles, trim them, glaze them and decorate them, see how they look. Again, thanks for watching. Catch you again in a video. Like, subscribe, comment, check out the website, Instagram and Facebook, and I'll catch you later. Bye.